Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to explain you how to get numbers from a alphanumeric characters. So this is my code which I have written. So I have already written so that it will be easy and it's a time saving for you guys. So I'm going to explain you how it is going to work. So just follow me and I make you to understand the programming well here, and in the from next time you can write it on your own. So I have taken this method characters, like it starts with ABC, then it has numbers 1 2 3, then DEF 4 5 6, GS 7 8, I 9. Along with this, if you want, you can add some special characters as well to this. So this is my program, the method which I have written. Get numbers from alphanumeric. I'm passing string. This is the string will come over here. So in this string, I'm in this here, I'm going to replace all the alphabet characters with null. So you can see here I'm using string dot replace all. So this is the expression we have to use. Open within the square bracket, you have to give these three symbols and followed by D and replace with space, or uh, okay, replace with space here, and then it is going to return L, and okay, this is going to replace all the characters, I mean except numbers, all the special characters and alphabet with a space. And once it replaces that, then you can split this string with space. This is going to return you an array of string, which you will put it to a list of numbers from string. This is an array of string. From this array of string, we can convert to an array list. So this is the code. Array list string numbers is equal to new array list string arrays dot has list. So this arrays dot has list of array of string is going to return a array list to us. Okay, so once the program this line of executes, we get numbers as an array list. So from this array list, I'm going to remove all the empty. See here, I'm adding an empty, right? So I'm just using this string colon colon is empty. So this is going to remove, I mean here it is going to filter with all the is empty values, and here I'm calling numbers dot remove if. So if the particular value is empty, then I'm going to remove that now, that value there. Okay, from the I'm going to remove that from array list, then I'm going to return that number. So here, when this particular code runs, it is going to get me array list with no empty and only numbers. And I want to print, right? So for print, I'm using for each. So this all these for each function, and the way we call the method is empty from the strings. So all these are from Java 8 features. So I'm using those. So for each, I'm using a lambda expression here. So in this lambda expression for each value, so whatever the value comes for in this array list, right? For each, this is the variable I'm using number. I'm going to print all the values. Okay, let me run this code. Right click, run as Java application. See, so it has removed all the alphabets and kept only numbers, and it is printed one by one. Okay, let me add some special characters over here, and I will rerun the code. Okay, so this program is working for both alphanumeric characters with or without special characters. Okay, so let's make little changes over here. If I remove space over here, what will happen? And then it work. See? So what is going to happen here is, so if we don't add the space, everything it just removes all the characters like special characters and numbers, and it is going to take it as just one number altogether. Okay, so that's the reason we just need a space here so that we can have those this space as a delimiter, and we can convert it to an array list and print it. Okay, so hope this program helps you. So please let me know your comments, or if you are facing any challenges, please you can put it in the comments. I'll be happy to reply with the answers to you. Okay, have a good day. Nice. Please subscribe to my channel to see more such videos and learn Java and all some technical stuffs. Thank you.